Okay, how to get to Johshuya fishing tackle store, Shinjuku. On the map it shows like way down here, but it's not. The police box is there. Okay, the train station's up this way. At the top gates, the Shinjuku, the red gates are here. So come down here, turn left. The police station's on the corner. I'll pan left and show you that. Just there. Back to the map. So where you need to go is directly behind me here, where my finger is. So I'll go in there and show you how easy it is to find. Okay, so this building just on the right here, that's a shopping centre. There's actually a small sign which I've been here 3 times and this is the first time I've ever seen it. So this is the Johshuya sign. Fishing jumbo. Okay, and basically you walk in these doors here. So you go in there and there's a small escalator about 20 meters straight ahead in center of screen. Go down that one floor and it's directly on your left. Okay, so hopefully that'll help someone who's trying to find it. It's not a bad store. Some things aren't that cheap, but they've got a lot of variety. So yeah, I found it quite interesting. Alright, thanks for watching.